Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the headlight bulbs in a 2010 to 2014 Subaru Outback. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the headlight bulbs in this 2014 Outback 2.5 Limited, and procedures will be similar for a lot of Outback models from 2010 to 2014, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. This particular procedure will prevent you from having to remove the entire front bumper and grille of your vehicle just to change the headlight bulb. But because of the location of the assembly and bulb, it will be difficult to see. I'll be using the headlight assembly apart from the vehicle to demonstrate the procedure in a way that's more visible for you. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and turn your steering wheel away from the side where you'll be working. Use your flathead screwdriver or trim tool to remove the tab securing the wheel well cover. With the tabs removed, you should be able to move the cover out of the way enough to see the back of the headlight assembly, but you may need a flashlight to see clearly. Your low beam bulb is behind the circular plastic cover. Turn the cover slightly counterclockwise to disengage it and remove it. Pull gently on the wiring harness at the back of the bulb to unplug it from the bulb itself. The wire clip securing the bulb can be slipped out of the notch holding it in place and should then hinge out of the way. Now the bulb can be removed. Take note of the bulb's orientation as you remove it. There's a tab on the bulb itself that will fit into a specific slot on the housing. Be sure not to touch your new bulb with your bare fingers. Finger oil or grease can create hot spots on the glass that significantly shorten the lifespan of the bulb. Lift it into place, making sure the tabs slip into its slot on the housing. Once it's in place, secure it by slipping the wire clip back into its position. Plug the wiring harness into the back of the new bulb. Take a second to turn on your headlight to make sure the new bulb is working like it should. Lift the plastic cover into place and secure it by turning it clockwise. Reattach the wheel well cover by pushing its plastic tabs back in. Headlight bulbs should always be changed in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.